simplify. It asks you to simplify, and the problem that we have is that we have an I on the denominator. We cannot have imaginary numbers on your denominator when you are given an answer. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and simplify it. I'm going to multiply by something that we call the conjugate. The conjugate basically just going to change your I on the denominator to the opposite, because that's the one that we want to cancel. So therefore, the 2 will stay the same, minus 4i. So the conjugate is 2 minus 4i. And I'm going to do the same thing on the numerator to keep my fraction equivalent. And now I'm just going to multiply. I'm going to distribute property twice on the numerator, distribute property twice on the denominator, and simplify. So I'm going to distribute the 5 to them both. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times negative 4i is negative 20i. Negative 5i times 2 is negative 10i. Negative 5i times the negative 4i is a positive 20i squared. Remember, when you multiply the I times the I gives you I squared. Let's go and simplify my numerator still. So I'm working still with the top section. You are going to be combining the like terms. So I have 10, that gives you a negative 30i. And I remember that I squared is equal to negative 1. So therefore, I squared is equal to negative 1. Negative 1 times 20 gives me a negative 20. I'm going to combine my like terms. So 10 minus 20 gives me a negative 10 minus 30i. And now I'm going to work with my denominator. I'm going to go through the same process. I'm going to multiply the 2 by them both. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 8, 4i is negative 8i. 4i times 2 is positive 8i. And 4i times negative 4i is negative 16i squared. I'm going to combine my like terms, my i's. In this case, they should both cancel on my denominator every single time if you're doing it correctly. So therefore, I have a 4. I squared is equal to negative 1 times the negative, we can say positive 16. 4 plus 16 is 20. I'm going to separate my fraction. And I'm going to reduce it. Remember, you want to separate your fraction because you want to separate your real part from your imaginary part. I'm going to reduce it by 10, so it gives me negative 1 over 2 minus. I'm going to reduce it by 10, so it gives me 3 over 2i. So they're both negative, so therefore my answer is letter B.